student in Diploma Translation Program at our Academy. Before I participated in this course, my English wasn't good. I couldn't speak, I couldn't write, even I couldn't understand well. But now, Alhamdulillah, I can speak easily, as you see.
I am now very satisfied with what I have achieved so far in this program.
This course has helped me a lot in improving my English language and about my speaking. Over the course, my English speaking has improved significantly.
Now I feel less shy and more confident.
I couldn't find such an organized course like this anywhere else. The skills, the teachers, and the rest of the course are all the reasons for our success in the course.
Nowadays, Alhamdulillah, I can speak much better. My speaking has improved a lot.
Only after 7 months of completing the course, I'm very glad to see myself at this level.